Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's Heart Chakra Mandala is dedicated to the most tender form of love. That's self-love. The love that nourishes you, sustains you and make your inner world bloom. As I create this mandala, let this moment be a gift for yourself. A moment to soften, to breathe, to return home to your heart. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale. Allow your whole body to settle into stillness. Place your awareness in the center of your chest, which is your heart space. Take another gentle inhale and feel your chest rise like a soft wave. Exhale and feel your body melt a little more. Now imagine a warm, glowing green light inside your heart, which is calming, which is soothing and familiar to you. This light is your inner love, the purest part of you. With each breath, the light grows brighter and expands softly through your chest. Now allow a soft pink glow to join the green. Pink for tenderness, for compassion, for gentleness towards yourself. The two lights swirl together, creating a beautiful aura around your heart. Green for healing, pink for love, and as I create each dot, each swipe in this mandala, imagine the dots and swipes landing directly on your heart, softening you, embracing you, and holding you. Now imagine yourself sitting in a quiet and peaceful room, sunlight flowing in gently through your window. There is a mirror on the wall, not a harsh mirror, but a soul mirror, reflecting only the truth, softness, and beauty. You walk toward the mirror slowly and you see yourself. You see the person you have been, the person you are right now, and the person you are becoming. There is no judgment in your eyes, only gentleness, only the understanding. You see the strength you have shown, the battles you have survived, the kindness you have given, the dreams you still quietly hold. Place your hand over your heart now and feel its warmth. You and your reflection breathe together, slowly, deeply, and lovingly. Now whisper inward, I am here for you. I am proud of you and I love you. Let these words sink in. Let a gentle rain fall on the dry soil. softening everything inside. Now imagine your inner child, a small, bright version of you, walking into the room. They look at you with trusting eyes. Your inner child runs into your embrace. Hold them as tightly and as tenderly as you wish someone would have held you. Feel the warmth of this hug. Feel the connection. Feel the innocence. Tell them, you are safe with me. You are loved. You matter. As I add each dot to this mandala, imagine it strengthening this bond between you and yourself. A bond of genuine love, protection, and kindness. Now watch your inner child transform back into you, the present you, but now glowing with pink and green light. You stand taller, your shoulders relax, your heart expands, your breath deepens, self love is filling you. It is moving through every cell in your body. It is coating old wounds with tenderness. It's dissolving shame, criticism, or pressure. You are enough. You have always been enough. Feel your heart as it blossoms, like a gentle flower opening petal by petal. Each petal reveals a new layer of softness, a new layer of kindness, patience, gratitude, and acceptance. Rest here, breathing softly, being gentle with yourself. You do not have to earn your own love. You only have to allow it. Stay in this glow for a few more breaths. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat out loud or you can repeat mentally too. I love myself deeply and wholeheartedly. I love myself deeply and wholeheartedly. I honor my heart, my body, and my journey. I honor my heart, my body, and my journey. I am worthy of unconditional love. I am worthy of unconditional love. Every day I grow softer, stronger, and more loving. Every day I grow softer, stronger, and more loving. Take one slow breath in and gently exhale. Feel the warmth in your heart, the softness, and accept the love. You are your own safe space. You are your own healer. If this meditation has helped you to feel closer to yourself, Share in the comments which part of the meditation really touched your heart. Your words may inspire someone else to begin their healing journey as well.